Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new video today. We are making a rice recipe today along with some spinach and carrot. So this is going to be healthy as well as quick. So you can send this in the lunchbox for kids or carry it for office yourself. So the ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below, so do check it out. Let's jump right into the video. So I've heated some butter in a pan and added some cumin and let it splutter. Then I add in finely chopped onions. We'll just cook this for a minute. After which I'm adding the grated carrot into this, along with the chopped spinach. Let's mix everything together and saute it for 2-3 minutes until the spinach and the carrot cooks. Once these have cooked, we'll add in red chilli powder, salt to taste, and give it a nice mix. I'm doing all this on a medium flame. Now it's time to add the rice into this. I've cooked the rice fresh. I've used basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. You can also use leftover rice for this recipe. So we are mixing everything together and making sure the masala coats the rice from all sides. Once that's done, just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame and the spinach and carrot rice will be ready to be served. You can serve this with some raita, so do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.